If you try to sell digital products and your bank account looks exactly the same, $0, zero sales, then keep watching. Like most people, you probably spend hours watching tutorials or wasting money buying more courses and repackaged ebook products with no results. In this video, I'm going to show you what type of products that are killing your sales and the ones that are helping beginners earn their first $5,000 online. I'm Marvin Brooks. I used to be an electrician, wiring buildings, climbing through attics, working 10, sometimes 12+ hour days. And like most people, trading most of my time for money. Now, since 2009, I've totally replaced my income thanks to digital products. But I have to admit, the game have totally changed since then. So stay with me. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what's working in 2026 and the 3 non-negotiable rules you must follow to make your first $5,000 quickly and consistently, even if you never made a single dollar online before. So let's get into it. So here's what's happening. Everywhere you look, it seems like everyone is just reselling the same copy and paste offers, generic courses, PDF templates, cheap make money guides that buyers can smell a mile away. Because here's the truth, buyers don't want more information AI can generate in seconds. They want transformation. No one wakes up thinking I need a 37 module course. They wake up thinking, how do I get my first sale so I can stop stressing about money? Or how do I get a better body or land more clients? Another mistake, selling repackaged $7 to $37 digital products without a system in place is like playing a lottery game hoping someday I'll hit the jackpot. So if you've been putting in the work and nothing seems to be working, the best selling digital products in 2026 follow these 3 rules. Rule number 1, sell the outcome, not the product. Most beginners describe what their product is instead of what their product actually does. So for example, don't sell fitness, sell fitness guides for busy dads who want to drop 20 pounds without going to the gym. Don't sell an online course, sell a step-by-step system that helps creators gain their first 250 subscribers in 7 days. Don't sell Canva templates, sell an Instagram carousel pack that helps coaches create 30 days of content in 1 afternoon. See the difference? One sounds like every other offer out there, the other makes someone stop scrolling and start thinking, wait, that's for me. Here are a few other examples. Drop 10 pounds in 30 days with the weekend reset method. Fix your ad account in 1 weekend, no agency required. Stop saying 12 module course on client acquisition. Start saying get your first 3 clients in 14 days or your money back. Here's the difference. One gives information that gets ignored. The other one sells the outcome that gets you paid. Rule number 2, fast wins. The faster your customer gets a result, the more they trust you. And the more they trust you, the more they buy. So your product needs a quick win within the first 30 days. The sooner, the better. Whether thinking, okay, this thing actually works. Rule number 3, your product should save time by using AI to do most of the heavy lifting. So instead of handing someone just a cheap starter guide and saying, good luck, you're now offering a done-for-you system powered by AI. This is the difference between having a failed product that have you staring at the screen, wondering what the heck happened, one that actually makes you your first 5K a month. And look, I know some of you probably thinking, Marvin, I'm not tech savvy, or I don't have a big following, or I don't even know what the heck to sell. If that's you, I totally get it. I was an electrician. I had no audience, no marketing degree, no idea what the heck I was doing when I started. But what I had was the right digital product built the right way for the right person. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown on how to build a profitable digital product that can help you hit your first 5K using AI, check out your first 5K digital blueprint in the description below. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.